In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can make Canva AI talking avatar for free just in few seconds. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your Canva account like this one. Okay, so you should have an account on Canva like this one, and what you will do, you will click over here on Magic Studio. Okay, so just click on Magic Studio, you will be directly in this page. Scroll down like this, just keep scrolling down, and you should see over here create magic with AI apps. Okay, so swipe left like this, click over here on AI generated avatar. Okay, and as you can see, you will be directly in this page. What you need to do is you need to click over here on use in new design. Okay, like this, and choose this. You can choose custom size over here. You can make your own size, or you can choose video if you want to make this AI talking avatar for video, for Facebook post, Facebook cover, and so on. So okay, so for me, so for example, I'm gonna just go and choose video. So after you click on video, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to choose your AI talking avatar presenter. Okay, so they have different pictures over here. Also, you can upload your own picture. If you want to use your own picture, you can click over here on upload and you can use your own picture. So in this video, we will just use one of those AI presenter pictures here. I'm gonna choose this one. So just click on the AI presenter that you want to use. I'm gonna use this one. Scroll down, so you can put your YouTube script here, or you can upload your own voiceover. Okay, so if you want to upload your own voiceover, you can click over here on upload audio, upload your own audio like this, and you will choose your own audio from your laptop. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, open, and your audio will be over here. Okay, and what you will do next, so just scroll down and click over here on generate presenter, and you just need to wait a few seconds and your AI talking avatar will be done. Okay, and here you go guys, my AI talking avatar is done, as you can see over here. So let's check. I'm gonna zoom this video to show you, as you can see. So let's see.
My little number detectives. Let's start by meeting our trusty sidekicks. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and the star of the show, number 5. They're like the coolest superheroes of the number world.
As you can see guys, it's really amazing. After you finish, you can just click on share, and you can click over here on download, and this AI talking avatar will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and use it for Instagram Reels, for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts, YouTube videos, and so on. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys, and see you in my next video.